Alright, so here's just another quick tip for you guys today. Doing some diagnosis on this 2006 F-150 for a faulty window motor here. If you have a 12 volt drill battery, this one here is out of a Makita set. Also, I have batteries from Milwaukee that work as well. What I've done is take a set of alligator clips and crimp a terminal to it. Goes right in the battery. And put it right on the window regulator motor. And this can be used to power all kinds of 12 volt sources on your vehicle right off this battery. Now here you'll see window works fine. Switch the polarity around on the battery, window goes down. So that's just a quick tip as far as using one of these batteries with cables like this for any type of 12 volt diagnosis. But more specifically on this vehicle, I have swapped around switches. It's not the switches. You can also take a multimeter and test them. And I'm getting weird voltages at this plug. When powered one way, around 11 volts. The other direction, around 8 volts. Something is strange here in this wiring harness. So, anyway.